Are you thinking about remodeling your home? It's exciting, right? But if you don't prepare properly, it might be... In this video, I'm walking you through how to get ready for a home renovation the smart way. If you're planning a full home renovation, maybe across multiple floors or with a new addition, you're probably looking at a 6 to 12 month timeline and a significant investment. And if you want to stay on budget and stay sane, preparation is everything. Hi, I'm Sofia Alonso Wolf with AV Architects and Builders, and then in the next few minutes, I'll break down the 5 key steps to get your home renovation project set up for success. Plus, tips on what to do about living arrangements during construction. Let's get into it. Understanding the scope of a major home renovation. Let's start with expectations. A comprehensive renovation is no small task. It's disruptive, especially if you plan to live in your home during construction. Think about it. Workers packing up every day, restricted hours, navigating around your family, it all adds time, and time adds cost. Now, compare that to an empty house. Tools can stay out, crews can work weekends, and the schedule moves a lot faster. Whenever possible, we recommend moving out during a major renovation. That way you'll save money and you'll get back into your dream home sooner. Key steps to prepare for your home renovation. 1. Completed architectural plans. First things first, you need architectural plans, not sketches, not napkin ideas. We're talking full construction documents. These are your roadmap for your renovation, essential for getting accurate quotes and securing permits. Number 2, make all material selections. Next, you need to make all your material selections before construction begins. Flooring, tile, cabinetry, fixtures, lock it in early. Why? Because delays happen when materials aren't available or decisions drag out mid-project. Having everything selected up front means no guessing, fewer surprises, and a smarter budget. Number 3, obtain a fixed price from the builder. Speaking of budget, this is big. You want a fixed price contract. This protects you from cost and scope creep and gives you clarity on exactly what you're paying for. It should include labor, materials, and all the fine print. No hidden fees, no assumptions. At AV Architects and Builders, we use the fixed price model for these same reasons. Number 4, secure all county building permits. Not the most exciting part of the process, but absolutely essential. Every jurisdiction has different requirements, so we start early and handle this for our clients. Trust me, delays with permitting can throw off your entire schedule. Number 5, order all materials. We said it before and we'll say it again. Order early. Supply chains are still unpredictable, and if your tile gets stuck in transit or your cabinets are on back order, that's a huge delay. So we order everything up front to keep your timeline tight and predictable. Planning your move out. Once you've checked off those 5 steps, it's time to think about where you'll live. Moving out isn't just a convenience, it's a strategic move. Let's talk options. 1, move in with family or friends. If you've got local family or friends, this is often the most cost-effective route. Just be sure it's a good fit for your family's daily routine and your sanity. 2, rent a house or apartment. Want more privacy or space? A short-term rental is a great option, especially if you want to stay in your neighborhood or school district. Number 3, extended stay or Airbnb. Need flexibility? Look at extended stay hotels or furnished rentals. This is perfect if your project timeline is on the shorter side or if you want a fully turnkey living setup. Bonus tip, stay within school districts. If you've got school-aged kids, try to stay within the same school district. It keeps your routine stable and simplifies your day-to-day. Here's the bottom line. Preparation means a faster build, fewer surprises, and a smoother experience. Skipping steps might feel like you're saving time up front, but it usually adds time and cost later. That's why we take the time to get everything ready. Plans, materials, permits, contracts, before a single wall comes down. At AV Architects and Builders, that's our promise to you. So, ready to start your renovation the right way? Schedule a discovery call with us today. We'll walk you through every step and help you plan a transformation that's smooth, predictable, and worth every penny. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, drop a question in the comments below, and subscribe for more insights from AV Architects and Builders. Design smart and build better. See you soon!